Bonjour, today on France Today I'm bringing you 3 fabulous, delicious recipes for springtime. We've got an asparagus avec oeuf vinaigrette, as well as a chicken fricassee. Yum, I love a chicken fricassee. And to finish off with, we've got a wonderful pavlova, my favourite. It's a French pavlova, so it's made with a French meringue and got wonderful springtime berries, some strawberries. So let's get cooking, shall we? So the ingredients you'll need for this asparagus vinaigrette oeuf: 2 boîtes of asparagus, which is what they call them here in France, which is around 200 grams per person, which you can either use green or white asparagus, vert or blanc, as they call it here. You'll also need 1 shallot finely diced, 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 30 ml of white wine vinegar, 30 ml of olive oil, some finely chopped parsley, and salt and pepper. To begin, you need to make the hard-boiled eggs. Place the eggs in a saucepan and add cold water. Put the lid on and bring this up to the boil. Once it reaches the boil, take the lid off and cook in the boiling water for 7 minutes exactly. Then, after 7 minutes, place them in a bowl of cold water, preferably iced cold water, and leave that there for a couple of minutes, anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you want to steam the asparagus, so place the asparagus in a steamer and on high heat, steam those for around 10 minutes, depending on the size of your asparagus. Whilst those asparagus are cooking, you want to peel the hard-boiled eggs, so just take the egg and roll it along a breadboard, and that should make it easy enough for you to peel off the eggs. And then chop your eggs. In a bowl or jar, we want to make the vinaigrette, so just add the oil, vinegar, mustard, salt and pepper, and just mix that to combine, either with a tiny whisk or in a jar, just give it a good shake. Test that the asparagus is done after 10 minutes by just using a knife to prick the asparagus, and if it goes through, then you know that it's done. Place on a plate. And then top with the egg. Followed by the shallots. And then spoon over a generous amount of the vinaigrette. Season with salt and pepper. And then serve. Voila! There you have it, my asperge et vinaigrette à l'oeuf.